All right, viewers, we are back with our live and breaking bulletin, and we will be getting you our latest update coming in on the NEET scam now, viewers. Remember, this counselling of the NEET UG has been right now put on hold, but in the latest, with regards to the scam, with regards to the irregularities, what we're getting to know is that the Health Ministry statement has come out on NEET UG counselling. Now, Health Ministry says that the NEET UG counselling date has not been notified, and that's what we are breaking right now. The Health Ministry has issued clarification on that. Ministry says, and I quote, "It has been noticed that news regarding deferment of NEET UG counselling has been doing the rounds. This is to clarify that the date of the NEET UG counselling has not been notified yet, hence the news of its deferment is incorrect." And that is the big breaking news we are getting to. Now, just a while back, you've got you that date detail on the NEET UG counselling. But right now, the Health Ministry is clarifying that the news is incorrect. And my colleague Riyanka joins us live on the broadcast for more. Riyanka, now what we are getting to know is that the Health Ministry has issued a clarification and says that there has been no date that has been notified about the counselling.
Absolutely, Rakshita, to be noted here that there is no official statement from the Education Ministry here, but the Health Ministry has now come out with a clarification regarding the deferment of the NEET undergraduate counselling that we had informed our viewers earlier. The Health Ministry has to say that there are several news that are doing rounds regarding the deferment of the counselling, but it has now clarified that the date of the counselling has not been notified yet, which is why to call that the counselling has been deferred is incorrect. So there we have a clarification from the Health Ministry, which is saying that I beg your pardon, that the counselling has not been deferred, only the date of its counselling has not been issued by the authorities yet. In fact, today morning as well, as per the earlier schedule, the students were waiting for some sort of a notification on the MCC website where they were assured that the date and the time and the further process will be mentioned in the website of the Medical Counselling Committee. But there was no such notification which was given out, and on that note we later got details from sources that the counselling has been deferred. But to clarify here, the Health Ministry comes out with the notification that the deferment is incorrect. There has been no official notice that has been given on the date of when the counselling will happen. See, one thing remains common is the students continue to be thinking as to when will their counselling start, whether there will be re-NEET or not. As per sources, we are gathering the fact that the date could be announced after 8th of July, when the Supreme Court listens to the pleas that have been filed and also takes a look at the affidavit that has been filed by the centre regarding this matter.